Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully working calculator in under 12 minutes. We will use Figma to design the calculator, then we will use Cursor to turn that design into a real working calculator. You don't need to write anything from scratch. I will guide you through the whole process step by step. By the end of this video, you will know how to create your own fully working calculator using Figma and Cursor. So let's get started. Before creating anything in Cursor using your Figma design, you first need to connect the Figma MCP server with Cursor. But what exactly is an MCP server? Think of it as a simple bridge between Figma and Cursor. It allows Cursor to look into your design files and understand it directly, instead of you manually explaining everything or taking screenshots. So once this connection is set up, Cursor can actually read your design, things like layout, spacing, colors, typography, and components, and use that information while generating code. For example, if you ask Cursor to build a login screen, it doesn't have to guess how it should look. It can directly refer to your Figma design and create something that closely matches it. This makes the whole process of going from design to code much faster, more accurate, and way less manual work. If you want to set this up, I have already made a step-by-step video showing how to connect Figma MCP with Cursor. You can check it out using the link in the top right corner. So now I will design a calculator in Figma. First I will create a desktop size frame and I will name it calculator. I'll change this color of this frame a bit so you can see the calculator inside it. Now I'll create another frame inside this desktop size frame and I'll change the size of the frame accordingly. Let's say I'm using 512 as width and 624 as height. Center align it, give it a color. I'll also add a bit of a radius, corner radius into it to give it a good look. Now I'll design the keys of the calculator. I'm increasing the text size to 24. I think we are messing up here. Now I will adjust the width to 36 and height to 36 as well. 36 width and 36 height. I'll center align it. This is the key we have designed. Let's refine it a bit more. I will add a simple gray color to it. I'll add some radius. I think 12 is good. And increase the size. Repeat it 4 times. Keep the distance between 16 pixels. Just follow my steps. So here we will include the 0. I'll simply merge this one key I'll increase the size of it so it matches the above two keys. And now I will update all the numeric and operator keys of the calculator. So as you can see, I have created all the keys. Now I'll make some color and style adjustments. As you can see, I have created a calculator. I'll make some more adjustments. I'll make these bold as well. I think it's good. Make sure to add all the keys in auto layout. I will make some more color adjustments to the design. And I'll change the background to white. As you can see, I have added a simple shadow so it looks good when we develop it. Let's change the keys color to white. As you can see, we have successfully created a calculator design. Now we can use this design and use cursor to develop it. Let's see how we can do it. Now let's create this calculator design in a fully working condition using cursor. First, I'll copy the link to the selection and I'll paste this link in cursor. Now I'll use ChatGPT to refine my prompts for cursor. This is the prompt I'll be using. I'll just ask ChatGPT to refine this prompt for me. Now I'll use this prompt in cursor. I'll remove the unnecessary lines and I'll send. And as you can see, cursor started the development process. It will take a few minutes. It's done. We have just created a fully working calculator using a Figma design and a few prompts. Let's check it out. Right click on any of these files and click on Reveal in folder. It will take you to the folder containing the files. So here is our calculator. I'll open the index.html file. And here it is. our calculator in fully working condition. Let's check it out. I'll do 5 plus 5 and it's working. I'll do 7 plus 8 and it's working properly. It can do all the calculations correctly, but there is one small issue with the user experience that I want to fix. For example, if I want to calculate 7 plus 8, I first press 7 and the display shows 7. Then I press the plus button, but nothing changes on the display. Now I will press 8 and the display is showing 8. And now I'll click on equal and it correctly gives me the answer 15. What I actually want is for the display to show the entire expression as I am typing it. In other words, I want the calculator to display the complete equation while the user is entering it, instead of only showing the current number. So let's write another prompt in ChatGPT to refine it. I'll paste my prompt in ChatGPT and I'll ask to refine it. I'll hit enter and wait for the new prompt. I'll copy this prompt and I'll paste it in cursor. I'll remove the unnecessary lines and I'll send. Let's wait for cursor to make the changes very quick. The changes has been done. Let's check it out. I hope it's working fine this time. I'll simply go back to the calculator application and I'll refresh the page. I'll check. And now as you can see, I am seeing the complete expression first, and when I hit enter, it will show me the answer. You can try it yourself and create some more amazing stuff. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have anything to ask, just leave me a comment and I'll be there to help. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.